part of the head office support team here at Revive.
And this is Revive Under the Spotlight.
What's one thing you hope we never lose as we grow?
I'd definitely say the values.
Yeah,
Yeah.
definitely. And just the attention to the culture in the office and how we all work together. I think we all genuinely really care about each other, and I'd hate to see us lose that.
It's the unity of every team working together.
I think going back to the unity.
Yeah, I was going to say, we're going to go back to unity.
I think that's the hardest thing for a company to grow as we are, because we are growing very quickly, both the network and a head office, and not lose that sense of, I think we do have a bit of a sense of family and a sense of unity.
Keeping our values core to what we do. I think that, live and breathe in our values and everyone buying into it means that our customers feel it.
You see with like big corporations, that just the width and the depth of the organisation, you don't see that sort of relationship between the senior management and the frontline staff, and one department and the other department, just the complete other side of the company sort of thing. At Revive you do see that currently, and yeah, just you hope that it maintains as we grow.
Being able to speak to anyone in the network and them know who you are. I feel like massive corporations, even teams sometimes don't speak to each other, but I could ring up our Aberdeen franchisee and he'd know who I was, same as our managing directors, they know who you are. So yeah, I wouldn't want to lose that.
I want to keep our sense of family and our sense of fun, however big we get.
The family feel of the business, that's something that people that are new to the business pretty much always mention. So we wouldn't want to ever lose that. That seems to be, I enjoy it, but I assume everybody does.